Here's a really quick condensed recap of all the stuff that we did in Dancing to the Music week 1. We did a couple different exercises. One was jumping and try to land as quietly as possible to get used to accordioning our body. The other one was leaning back and picking our toes up and then keeping our body into this shape and bringing it forward until we could click our heels. And this was kind of where we wanted our home base to be for this class. We were going to talk a lot about the way that we move to music. So first we started off doing a really common dance that you do to a very common song. We did Tuxedo Junction, Erskine Hawkins, we did the Shim Sham. And we noticed a lot of things, like we noticed a lot of really good bouncing happening at the beginning, and then we would do a break and it would be very rigid. So we wanted to really everyone to have practice in a mirror or to a recording doing the whole thing, as opposed to something like doing it where you're bouncing consistently the whole time, whether you're doing the easy move or the hard move. We talked a lot about maybe instead of doing these big steps where you're doing a forward and back movement, just keep everything really small and under you. That was really the focus. And then we went through 3 songs. Those songs will be in the description to talk about what they make you feel, what you hear about it, how they make you want to move. The main thing we talked about for the early swing song was that we didn't say that open position moves and triple steps weren't right to do to it. We just talked about how they weren't really around a lot yet and what else can we do. We talked a lot about quick, quick, slow, being really calm. Everyone's kind of first inclination was let's put in a bunch of stuff in it as soon as possible, and we really wanted to focus on really what parts of the music do make you want to move, and then add on things from there. As we moved on through the music, as the different pieces got more disconnected, especially in the rhythm section, we talked about working on how to add things in your dancing other than just your feet. Maybe that's just doing like a different thing with your hips, or maybe that's through like using your arms a different way, and those were some of the things that we worked on. So practice, I hope you've been practicing these things. I hope this helps if you've forgotten what to practice. Next week we will not be doing as much of a recap on all of the different structures that we're talking about, so if you need notes, bring a notebook.